The Daryl Voss-led ministry was energized to boost Jamaica's pandemic recovery and national growth in 2021.
We are on our mission to secure Jamaica's energy future through diversification and the provision of alternative, sustainable, and environmentally friendly sources of energy.
An Energy Resilience Global Development Alliance partnership agreement was signed with the USAID and the Cadmus Group of Boston. An electric vehicle council was established to oversee the consultative process for the full introduction of electric vehicles.
They will review any policies, legislation, and regulations related to deployment of EVs in Jamaica.
In a landmark move, Jamaica's first public electric vehicle charging facility was commissioned into service at the Boot service station in Draxall, St. Anne. Another was later installed in Port Antonio. New leadership was appointed to the Generation Procurement Entity GPE with a mandate to procure new electricity generation capacity in line with the Electricity Act.
The GPE has been given the charge to get moving. We want to see a significant increase in our generation capacity and our renewable energy share based on the Integrated Resource Plan.
Solar and other energy efficiency systems, including more than 5,000 LED lighting solutions, were installed at 6 public health facilities. 32 health sector personnel were also trained in energy management and solar photovoltaic operation and maintenance, and a state-of-the-art solar system was installed at the Malvern Branch Library in St. Elizabeth. Increasing public access to the internet was a major preoccupation for the ministry in 2021. Internet connectivity was established in 28 of 189 areas tapped to benefit from the Community Wi-Fi Hotspot Initiative.
Jamaica will have a total of 20 public Wi-Fi hotspots across Jamaica by March 31st, 2022.
Fiber optic cables were rolled out in St. Catherine, Clarendon, Manchester, Westmoreland, St. James, St. Thomas, and St. Anne. All parish courts and municipal corporations are now connected to the microwave infrastructure along with 100 government entities.
The microwave network will provide backup connectivity in the event that fiber optic cables are damaged. The microwave network will also enable fixed wireless connectivity to remote sites such as schools and has a capacity of 1.5 gigabit with the ability to scale as needed.
And a 3-tier connectivity plan was developed to meet the internet service demand at schools and 48 places of safety.
This type of network service gives the government the ability to share a single source of internet to the various groups of schools and eliminate the need to manage over 900 individual internet service contracts, providing instead for a single internet service contract for all schools.
Ensuring the means for connectivity, eLearning Jamaica brought in 5,000 laptops for distribution to secondary students on the Program of Advancement through Health and Education PATH. The Universal Service Fund provided laptops for members of Parliament and commissioned fully equipped computer labs at the Goodwill Primary and Infant School, as well as the Montego Bay Boys and Girls Club in St. James. The Technology Ministry also took steps to protect cyberspace. Through a partnership with the OAS Inter-American Committee Against Terrorism and the Jamaica Cyber Incident Response Team JA-CERT, an early warning system was implemented to safeguard Jamaica's cyber infrastructure.
This will enable JA-CERT to provide alerts as soon as there is exploitation of known vulnerabilities or zero-day events.
Additionally, the JA-CERT website was revamped to facilitate anonymous reporting of cyber breaches, and Cabinet approved the establishment of a cybersecurity e-governance academy to help train professionals in the field.
As a ministry, we are using ICTs to create a digital government, make internet connectivity more easily accessible, and advance Jamaica's ambition to become a technologically enabled society.
Cabinet gave approval for a third telecommunications service provider in the form of Rock Mobile Partners Limited. $20 million was provided to the Court Administration Division for improvement of ICT infrastructure in courts. And the Universal Service Fund handed over $20 million to the Public Broadcasting Corporation of Jamaica, PBCJ, to procure state-of-the-art equipment for a new dedicated 24-hour educational television channel. In 2021, the Ministry of Science, Energy and Technology was energized and connected to the mission of ensuring Jamaica recovers stronger together.